Here you're going to learn how to build a WordPress plugin without having to write a line of code yourself with Claude Code to extend your favorite WordPress tools like LifterLMS, the leading learning management system for WordPress. In this demo tutorial, we're going to show you how to build a custom social proof enrollment badge on your courses and memberships powered by LifterLMS that shows the total enrollment count, and that data will pull in dynamically as your enrollments increase over time. You can do all this as a non-developer. All you need to do is just write one simple prompt to Claude Code, and we'll show you exactly how to do that. Let's go. So here we are on our LifterLMS website, and what we're going to attempt to do is to code a plugin that we can insert somewhere on the course sales page or the course page to a logged out visitor that shows social proof metrics like the number of students actively enrolled in the course. Let's try to build that with Claude Code as a custom plugin or a custom block that we can insert on any LifterLMS powered course or membership to pull in that real-time live data feed social post. So I'm going to jump over to Claude Code here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my prompt. So let me read that for you. So I'm just talking to Claude as a non-developer. Again, this is Claude Code, and I'm telling it what the plugin I want to create does and what the ideal outcome is. So story time. I want to build a small WordPress plugin for my LifterLMS site. I am not a coder, so keep it simple and do the technical parts for me. I put the LifterLMS plugin files in this folder. Please read them first so you can use the real LifterLMS way of doing things instead of guessing. If you're not sure about something, look up in those files rather than making it up. Here's what I wanted to do. Add a little, quote, join 500 students, end quote, style badge that I can drop onto any of my LifterLMS courses or memberships. It should show the real number of students for whatever course or membership I put it on and count it automatically so I never have to type the number in myself. Make it look nice, a rounded badge with the number and a few little circles next to it with the initials of some of the students, like you see on other websites for social proof. If it can make the numbers tick up when it comes into view, that would be a cool touch. I'm envisioning a WordPress block called Social Proof Metrics Badge that I can choose to add to any LifterLMS course or membership. It should pull the historical total enrollments in whatever course or membership it's on, so it's always up to date in real time as new enrollments happen. When you're done, package it up as a zip file I can upload under Plugins, Add New, Upload Plugins in WordPress. Then give me a short, plain English checklist testing that it worked. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to add a file. And the file I'm adding is actually the LifterLMS plugin. So I'm adding the LifterLMS plugin, which you can download. Just create a free account at lifterlms.com or get it off the WordPress repository. So basically what I'm doing with that is Claude really knows WordPress, but I'm making sure it also knows the LifterLMS code base. So I'm literally giving it the entire core plugin code base for context. So let's hit enter. All right, so Claude Code is done. That took about 7 minutes and 30 seconds. And it's just saying the plugin is ready to go. It's on my desktop. I can install it, activate it, and check it out. So let's do that. Let's head on over to our LifterLMS website. We'll go to the WordPress dashboard, go to plugins, and we'll click add plugin. And from here, instead of browsing, we're actually going to upload a plugin. So I'm going to look around on my desktop, and it put it on my desktop here. LLMS social badge zip file. That's an actual plugin. I'm going to open it, click install now, and it installed successfully. I'm going to activate it. So it's active. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my courses and add the plugin or the block to one of my courses to see if it works. So let's go to this saving strategy course, and I'll click edit course. And then right here, underneath the short description, I'm going to try to add it. So I'll just hit return, and I'll hit the plus button over here because this should create a new block. So what I'm looking for is a social proof block. I'll just do a search here for social. Here it is right here, the social proof metrics badge. So let's add that. There are 14 students in this course. This is exactly what I was looking for. So I'm going to click save, and then we'll go look at it on the front end. So we'll view our course, and you can see we've added this dynamic social proof badge plugin to our WordPress and LifterLMS website. I'm just going to refresh the page again to see how it looks on page load. And you can see how it like counted up right there as the page loaded, just to draw attention. That's textbook. That's perfect. And that is how you can create a custom add-on plugin for your favorite WordPress tools like LifterLMS or WooCommerce or Pay Memberships Pro using Claude Code. So go out there and build an add-on plugin for your LifterLMS website, even if you're not a developer.